Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this week's episode, as we continue our 48 Laws of Power series, we look at Law 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. Making difficult things seem effortless is a talent that you need to possess. You'll always inspire other people. You'll also get that respect and that power by making it look so easy and not giving away how you do it. You have to conceal the work behind your accomplishments, because if you brag about it, how hard you work and how much effort you've put in, it's not going to give the same illusion. Now, according to this law, if you make it seem effortless, people will admire you more. People seemingly admire those that are able to achieve things that are impossible, but at the same time make it look so easy. Some people will keep things a secret in terms of they don't share all of that information because it gives them more of a sense of power. It's just like having something that is so easily available, it's not as special, whereas something that is harder to attain or not many people have, people will feel that there's more of a specialness to it. With this law, you don't need to show how clever you are by revealing your tricks. In fact, you need to do the opposite. You can demonstrate your skills, but you don't need to go into detail about how you do it. That's where the magic lies. And by people feeling that what you're doing is something that's difficult to do, it's not easy to do, people will have that much more respect for you and you will have more power. The mistake a lot of people do is they tend to brag about their hard work and cleverness in order to get that admiration from people, but sometimes it can actually garner the opposite, where people look at you and have contempt because you're bragging and you're talking about how much effort you've had to put into something. The best way is just to create that feeling that what you're doing is easy and it's not hard to do. Doing that gives people that feeling that you know what you're doing, you're in control and powerful. But yes, people, that was it for this video. Law 30, make your accomplishments seem effortless. That's what you need to do in order for people to understand and to have that respect for you. When you make it look so easy, it is more inspiring for people and people are more drawn to you because of how easy you make it look. In some cases, people really don't care about the struggles you went through to get there. They just want to see you at the top and see how you make it look so effortless to get there. And that is where some people do find more inspiration and find you to be more powerful because you made it look so easy. In the next video, we will be looking at Law 31. Control the options. Get others to play with the cards you deal. That is Law 31. We'll be getting into that in a bit more detail in the next video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you are notified when that is out. Make sure you have a great week. Make your accomplishments seem effortless, darling. And yeah, I will catch you in the next video. Don't know. Boy.
People don't know. I just want to